Author presents Back and Forth with NEVS and Sven, a program of writing rants and rebuttals.
So, when it comes to marketing promotion, I've tried lots of things. Let me see, I've tried blogging, chat rooms, Twitter, Facebook, wild postings, trailers, faux commercials, book awards, and all sorts of ways to get the word out. I've had various successes. And I'm not talking about click-throughs or impressions, I'm actually talking about book sales. In fact, I'd have to say almost all of them really didn't result in a lot of book sales, but one of them did. It was awesome. So what worked for me? It was Amazon's free book promotions. And I'm going to start off with a disclaimer saying that Amazon is not paying me for this testimonial. I'm just saying it worked for me. So again, would it work for anybody? Probably not. You probably have to have, well, I should say you definitely have to have a book series. That would probably be the best. And you probably have to have a lot of books under your wing. It wouldn't work if you only have one book out there. And I don't think it would work if you have different multiple genres. You probably want to be in the same genre, but especially if you have a book series. So for me, I have an award-winning book series. I won awards on all three books in my Godhead trilogy. So when they were all published and they all had awards, this was in Christmas of 2014, I made the second book in my trilogy, State of Union, free. And at that point it had won Forward Magazine's Book of the Year Award, Best in Science Fiction. So it already had some clout on it, had a nice cover, had the award sticker. I advertised it during Christmas because I thought, well, hey, most people have new e-reader devices, they have new iPads, iPads, and they need content for these new devices. So what you're gonna do on Christmas Day, you're gonna say, okay, what can I download? And if you're a reader, you're gonna load up books. So I offered that book for free. And the reason why I offered the second book for free is, one, it was an award-winning book. And secondly, I figured how many people want to start a trilogy in the middle? So, like I said, I offered it for free and I monitored the sales. And I have to say that during the campaign, I had 10,000 downloads, free downloads of State of Union. I had 7,500 purchases of the first book, State of Mind, and I had 5,000 purchases of the third book, State of Being. So there were, I guess, 5,000 people who had the entire trilogy, 7,500 people who had the first two books, and then there were that odd 2,500 that just downloaded the second book. So in the end, I actually had legitimate sales. It was great. I drafted it off that free promotion. Obviously, I had to shut down the book on Barnes & Noble and iTunes, but it was a good experiment. I was very happy with it. So that's my success story. You know what? For once, I have no rebuttal to that. Good on you, Sven. Hey, peace. You get NEV's non-trolling rebuttal today. Nice wake.
If you think this